Are you a magician? Because whenever I look at you, everyone else disappears. I'm not a photographer, but I can picture me and you together. Are you my appendix? Because I have a funny feeling inside my stomach that makes me feel like I should take you out. Do you have a map? Because I keep getting lost in your eyes. I'm no organ donor, but I'd be happy to give you my heart. Hey there, I seem to have lost my phone number. Could I have yours? Excuse me, are you from Tennessee? Because you're the only 10 I see. I'm sorry, there's something wrong with my cell phone. It doesn't have your number in it. If you don't have a twin sister, then you must be the most beautiful girl in the world. People call me Racer, but you can call me anytime. I sure hope you know CPR, because you take my breath away.